Good day, everyone. My name is Kaniselvi Arasu. I'm honored to be here at the second International General Studies Conference Igescon. I'm currently a lecturer at Polytechnic Uma, where I specialize in teaching of second language. My research and work focus on linguistic and sociolinguistic. I'm pleased to introduce my research team members, Puan Haniza Nordlin, the head of General Studies Department, Polytechnic Ungu Oma, and Dr. Sriraj Dolulingam, who is a lecturer at Institute Pendidikan Guru Campus Ipoh. Our team has been collaborating on exploring the relationship between anxiety and oral presentation performance among communicative English students. Effective oral communication skills play a vital role in academic, profession, and social setting, particularly in context of English language learning. Among English language students, oral presentation serve as a crucial means of accessing language proficiency and overall communicative competence. However, the process of delivering an oral presentation can be a daunting experience for many students. While studies have investigated general language anxiety and its impact on various language skills, limited attention has been directed especially toward the connection between anxiety and oral presentation performance among communicative English students. Anxiety is an emotional experience that can significantly impact an individual performance and well being, particularly in an academic and communicative setting. Among language learners, anxiety often manifests during oral presentation, leading to nervousness and fear of public speaking. Understanding the relationship between anxiety and oral presentation performance can have significant implications for both language educators and learners. Exploring anxiety patterns and their impact on presentation outcome within this time frame, this research aims to contribute valuable knowledge that can inform language education practices and ultimately facilitate the development to more confident and proficient English speakers. The objective of these studies is to explore the extent to which anxiety influences the oral presentation performance of communicative English students, to investigate the impact of anxiety on oral presentation performance, and to seek to explore how anxiety influences students' performance during the oral presentation. The research design of the study exploring the relationship between anxiety and oral presentation performance among communicative English students involves a quantitative method to comprehensively investigate the relationship between anxiety and oral presentation performance. The use of SPSS will further help in analyzing the data, drawing meaningful conclusions from the study's results. The participants are students who take Communicative English 1 DUE 10012 paper, which requires them to present an oral presentation of their assessment. The age range of the participants can be divided from 18 years old to 25 years old, and the participants' gender are 66% male and 34% female. The participants are from various departments such as engineering, commerce, computer, and electrical studies. The research obtained input from qualitative analysis. Participants asked to provide feedback and perception about their experience when encountering oral presentation. The collected data will be analyzed using SPSS method version 2023. Based on Table 1, out of the whole members, 130 respondents reported experiencing anxiety or nervousness before giving a presentation. 20 respondents indicated that they do not experience anxiety or nervousness before giving a presentation. It appears that a significant majority of the respondents, which is 86.7%, experience anxiety of nervousness before giving a presentation. Based on Table 2, 101 respondents reported that they feel like their anxiety levels negatively impact their presentation performance. 49 respondents indicate that they do not feel like their anxiety level negatively impact their presentation performance. The data show that a majority, 67.3% of the respondents, feel like their anxiety level negatively impact their presentation performance, while a smaller proportion, 32.7%, do not believe that their anxiety has an impact. 133 respondents reported that they worry about forgetting what they want to say during a presentation. 17 respondents indicate that they do not worry about forgetting what they want to say during a presentation. The data shows that a significant majority, 88.7%, of the respondents worry about forgetting what they want to say during a presentation, while a smaller proportion, 11.3%, do not have such worries. Table 4 shows the results of self-consciousness about voice or body language during a presentation. The data shows that a majority, 72.7%, of the respondents feel self-conscious about their voice or body language when giving a presentation, while 27.3% do not have such feelings. Table 5 shows the results of seeking professional help to manage anxiety related to public speaking or oral presentation. The data shows that 16.7% of the respondents have sought professional help to manage their anxiety related to public speaking, while majority, which is 83.3%, have not sought such assistance. Students who reported higher level of anxiety tend to demonstrate reduced fluency and overall effectiveness during their presentation. As anxiety level increase, students' ability to articulate their ideas and convey messages clearly appear to be hindered, which can impact the academic and professional success. Participants reported fear of evaluation, negative self-perception, and lack of confidence as a primary factors contributing to their anxiety during oral presentation. In this context, students' anxiety may be rooted in their perceived lack of competence in public speaking and concerns about the judgments of their peers and instructors. Students with high communication apprehension tend to experience anxiety, leading to decreased presentation effectiveness. Participants who display greater self confidence in their presentation ability demonstrate more successful performance. Educators should employ target intervention and approaches that address presentation anxiety and confidence, providing opportunities for practice, feedback, and small group presentation can help students gradually build their presentation skill. Despite its contribution, the study also has some limitation. First, the research was conducted in a specific education setting, and secondly, the use of self-report measures for anxiety may be subject to respond to bias, and future studies could benefit from incorporating measures of stress or observing non-verbal cues during presentation. In conclusion, the study exploring the relationship between anxiety and oral presentation performance among communicative English students provided valuable insight into the intricate connection between anxiety and oral presentation performance in the context of English language learning. The implications of this research are crucial for language educators and institutions by recognizing the impact of anxiety on presentation performance. Educators can design targeted interventions and create supportive learning environment that enable students to overcome anxiety barriers and develop proficient oral communication skill. Thank you, everyone.